for being here with us. My first question will be, tell us about your experience at HPS 2024.
Well, this year I think it's much more bigger, definitely. And every time I come to HBS, I never finish the entire exhibition because there's so many new brands. I get stuck with particular one stall, but I can see that I've attended so many HBS, but this year they are not a single brand. I think is left behind. I could see from makeup to skincare to hair. So there is not. It's not that only makeup is dominating, and the most of the brands are makeup. So it's completely a blend, and it's a very interesting show.
Yes, we're so glad to have you as well for so many years. So my next question will be, what are the latest skincare trends and how will it affect the beauty industry?
The latest skincare trends, very interesting. So our topic was absolutely on machine and manual facials. So the latest skincare trend is definitely those latest machines which is coming up, and salon owners are opting for a lot of machine facial and clinical facial and medical facials, and these are new latest trend. But I don't want them to also forget that how we've been doing facial, and just don't want to forget them completely with manual facials. I still want that people, the beautician should still be doing facial manually.
Yeah, understood. And my next and last question is, what is the growth mantra for salons in the beauty business? So what is the growth mantra for salons in the beauty business?
Definitely, a lot of aggregation, a lot of innovation and education.
Right.
That's very, very important. For me, that's the growth, like the growth mantra. I don't know what about the other, what exactly the salon owner thinks, but if you have to if you run a salon successfully, you have to keep adding a new innovation services, and make sure that your clients stick to you. The
Right.
clients loyalty stick to you, and they can only stick to you when you keep giving something new. At least in our industry, that's important, and that new service and innovation has to come with a lot of knowledge and education, because the technician who are delivering those particular service has to be educated enough, and very, very deeply they have to be educated enough to perform that service.
Thank you so much for your expertise and your insights. It was great having you. See you soon.